Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the browsing data in your Chrome app on computer. So whatever the website that you browse on your Chrome browser, it will automatically store a lot of information like history, cookies, cache and everything. So in order to delete that, what you can do is you can select this three dot options and go to clear browsing data, which will bring up this pop-up clear browsing data, and there are two tabs here, the basic and the advanced. Now if you want to clear the browsing data along with some other information, you can always use the advanced tab and select the browsing history, cookies and cache and other information that you want to delete from your browser. So once it is selected, you can choose clear data command, which will automatically delete all this information from your browser. So in this way you can choose to clear the browsing data in Chrome on computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.